Welcome back to OC Insurance Academy. In our previous lesson, we discussed open enrollment and special enrollment periods. Today, we're going to learn about ACA Metal Levels, bronze, silver, gold, and platinum. When clients shop for Marketplace health insurance, they will see plans grouped into metal levels. These levels do not describe the quality of care. Instead, they help explain how costs are shared between the insurance company and the client.
So gold is better than bronze?
Not exactly. Gold usually means the client may pay more each month, but less when receiving care. Bronze usually means the client may pay less each month, but more when receiving care. The best plan depends on the client's health needs, budget, doctors, medications, and expected medical use. Metal levels mainly help clients understand the balance between monthly premiums and out-of-pocket costs. A premium is what the client pays every month to keep the plan active. Out-of-pocket costs may include deductibles, copays, coinsurance, and the maximum out-of-pocket limit. Understanding these terms is crucial for advising clients. Bronze plans usually have the lowest monthly premiums. However, they often come with higher deductibles and higher out-of-pocket costs when the client receives care. Bronze may work well for clients who are generally healthy and mainly want protection against major medical expenses. Let's look at the details. Would bronze be good for someone who visits the doctor often? Usually, bronze may not be the best fit for someone who expects frequent doctor visits, expensive medications, or ongoing treatment. In that case, the client may need to compare silver, gold, or platinum plans carefully. Silver plans are often considered a balanced option. They usually have moderate monthly premiums and moderate out-of-pocket costs. Silver plans are also important because eligible clients may qualify for cost-sharing reductions, which can lower deductibles, copays, and coinsurance. Gold plans usually have higher monthly premiums than bronze or silver plans, but they often have lower out-of-pocket costs when the client uses medical services. Gold may be a good option for clients who expect regular doctor visits, ongoing prescriptions, or planned medical treatment. Platinum plans usually have the highest monthly premiums but the lowest out-of-pocket costs. They may be a good fit for clients with significant medical needs. However, platinum plans may not be available in every marketplace area.
How should an agent help a client choose the right metal level?
Great question. An agent should ask about the client's budget, doctors, medications, expected medical care, and risk tolerance. The goal is not to push the cheapest plan. The goal is to help the client understand total cost and choose the plan that fits their needs. Many clients focus only on the monthly premium, but as agents, we should help them look at the full picture. That includes monthly premium, deductible, copays, coinsurance, prescription costs, provider network, and the maximum out-of-pocket limit. When comparing metal levels, always explain the trade-off between lower monthly cost and higher medical cost.
Do not assume the cheapest plan is the best plan.
A good agent helps clients make informed decisions. David is healthy, rarely visits the doctor, and wants a low monthly premium. Which metal level might he consider? He may consider a bronze plan. Correct. A bronze plan may be worth considering for someone who wants a lower monthly premium and does not expect frequent medical care. This makes it a good option for healthier individuals, but we would still review doctors, medications, deductible, and total cost before making a recommendation. Let's look at a client scenario. Angela has regular prescriptions and visits specialists several times a year. Should she only choose the lowest premium? No, she should compare out-of-pocket costs too. Exactly, that's a key consideration. Angela may benefit from reviewing silver, gold, or platinum options, depending on availability, income, and healthcare needs. Today, you learned how ACA Metal Levels work. Remember, bronze, silver, gold, and platinum do not mean one plan gives better medical care than another. They help explain how the client and insurance company share costs. Great work today. In our next lesson, we will explain important health insurance terms like premium, deductible, copay, coinsurance, and maximum out-of-pocket. Thank you for learning with OC Insurance Academy. The ACA ensures access to coverage and protects people with pre-existing conditions. For more information, visit our website and subscribe to our channel.
Subscribe for more ACA, Medicare, life, and commercial insurance training.
Welcome back, everyone. In our previous lesson, we learned how bronze, silver, gold, and platinum plans share healthcare costs. Today, we're going to learn the insurance terms that every successful ACA agent must understand before helping clients choose a health plan. These 5 terms determine how much a client pays for healthcare. If you cannot explain these concepts clearly, your clients may choose the wrong health plan. Today's lesson will make these terms simple and easy to understand. A premium is the amount your client pays every month to keep their health insurance active. Think of it like a monthly membership fee. The client pays the premium whether they visit a doctor or not.
If I never go to the doctor, do I still pay my premium?
Yes, the premium keeps your health insurance coverage active. Medical care is separate from the monthly premium. A deductible is the amount a client may need to pay for covered healthcare services before the insurance company begins paying for certain covered services. Not every service is subject to the deductible, so it's important to review each plan carefully. Let's look at an example. If a client's deductible is $2,000 and they receive a covered medical bill for $500 that applies to the deductible, they may pay that amount. Let's look at a deductible example. The deductible is $2,000 and the medical bill is $500. They would still have $1,500 remaining before meeting the deductible. Office visit copay, $30. Patient pays $30. A copay is a fixed dollar amount paid for certain healthcare services. For example, a client may pay $30 every time they visit their primary care physician. Does every doctor have the same copay?
No.
Primary care doctors, specialists, urgent care centers, and emergency rooms often have different copays. Prescription medications may also have different copays depending on the drug tier. So, a generic drug might have a lower copay than a brand name one. This is an important detail to remember. Coinsurance is the percentage of covered healthcare costs the client pays after meeting any applicable deductible. For example, on a $1,000 bill, if insurance pays 80%, the client pays 20% or $200. If the plan has 20% coinsurance, the client pays 20% of the covered cost, while the insurance company pays the remaining 80%. In this example, the covered medical bill is $1,000. The client pays $200. The insurance company pays $800. This example assumes the deductible has already been satisfied, if applicable. The maximum out-of-pocket limit protects clients from unlimited healthcare costs. Once a client reaches the plan's annual limit for covered in-network services, the health plan generally pays 100% of additional covered in-network costs for the rest of the plan year.
So the maximum out-of-pocket protects clients from very high medical expenses?
Exactly. That protection can be extremely valuable for clients facing serious illnesses or unexpected medical emergencies. A lower premium does not always mean lower overall healthcare costs. Good agents help clients compare the entire plan, not just the monthly premium. Let's look at a client profile. Sarah is 58, has several prescriptions, and visits specialists frequently.
I would compare plans with lower deductibles and lower out-of-pocket costs.
Excellent. Someone who expects regular medical care may benefit from paying a higher monthly premium if it reduces overall healthcare expenses.
That makes sense.
Professional agents educate their clients. Never assume your client understands insurance terminology. Use simple language, examples, and comparisons so every client can make an informed decision. Understanding these 5 terms is one of the most important skills an ACA insurance agent can develop. When you explain them clearly, clients gain confidence and trust your recommendations. Outstanding job today. In our next lesson, you'll learn how provider networks work and how to help clients choose the right network for their healthcare needs. Thank you for learning with ACA Insurance Academy. We'll see you in Lesson 6. Welcome to ACA Insurance Academy. Our mission is to educate and empower agents. Subscribe for more training on ACA, Medicare, life, and commercial insurance. Visit us online or call